Imagine hosting a seamless, engaging webinar in Microsoft Teams with just a few clicks. Today, you'll discover how to use it like a pro. Step 1. Open Microsoft Teams. Click on the Calendar tab in the left panel to start scheduling. Step 2. Create a webinar. Click New Meeting at the top right, then choose Webinar, not a standard meeting. Fill in your webinar's title, date, and invitees. Set up a registration page to track attendees. Step 3. Customize your registration form. Add fields for names, emails, or questions. When finished, hit Save to generate your unique registration link. Step 4. Prepare your webinar settings. Adjust permissions, choose presenters, and run a quick technical test. Finally, host your webinar. Start by clicking Join, admit attendees, introduce speakers, and manage chats and Q&A easily. By following these steps, you'll move from uncertainty to mastery. Microsoft Teams empowers you to connect, teach, and inspire through engaging webinars.